Hey guys, it's Jess. I'm in my aviary at the moment with one of my little baby doves. So I do a little video of him. He's very quiet. He needs a name, so if anyone's got suggestions for names, please put them down below. Isn't he cute? I thought I'd do an animal vlog day. Something different. What do we think of him? He's a diamond dove. That's his species. He's very cute. So please help me with names. We need names for him. I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl, so unisex names would be good. Anyway, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll do more videos like these. Hey, Papa. He's so cute. Thank you. Hey, baby. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.